Hello Chosen Ones! In this video I'm going to show you how to get Greater Spirit Dust in Witchspire. To collect Greater Spirit Dust in Witchspire, the most important thing to understand is what determines whether enemies can drop it. Thankfully, the requirement is fairly straightforward. In general, you're much more likely to obtain Greater Spirit Dust from enemies that are above level 10. So if you're farming lower level mobs, don't expect to see many drops. One of the best creatures I've found for farming this material are the Bompus, which seem to drop Greater Spirit Dust at a guaranteed rate. This makes them one of the most reliable sources if you need the material quickly. You can find Bompus on the third island, located north of the Witchspire. Once you arrive, head toward the western shoreline of the island. This is where you'll commonly find groups of Bompus roaming around, making it an ideal farming location. Simply defeat them and collect the Greater Spirit Dust they drop. As an added bonus, if you're lucky, repeated farming here may also give you the opportunity to bond with a Bompus and add it to your collection of familiars. Even outside of Bompus, the general rule still applies. Any enemy above level 10 has a much better chance of dropping Greater Spirit Dust, so keep that in mind whenever you're exploring higher level areas. And that's everything you need to know about getting Greater Spirit Dust in Witchspire.